should have videoed this when I'd done it, but that goes in there with this like little clippy thing. So you just prise it open, that's what holds it in place. They'll clip down there, holds that down. So your button sticking in your toilet, you just twist that, push the pipe off, twist that, that'll pop up and there'll be a little motor. Free the little motor, press the button, working again. And then clip the face off that. I'm going to take that off, but before it came off. And that clips in the back of there. That's where the circuit board goes in there. Should have videoed it to show you, but take your time. And then that just twists. That'll just twist around that way up and it'll lift up. There'll be like a motor then that goes all the way down to the bottom, little tiny little motor. And that's it basically. So you've got trouble with your toilet. And that's the other thing, this thing here, these little buttons, they can have a stick in as well. There you go, all good.